Hello everybody, welcome back to my Country Sparkles channel. I'm Rachel and today I'm going to be taking out these heat stain marks out of my table. The method I'm going to be using is using an iron and a dry towel. This is just a linen towel from my kitchen to hopefully dry out the spot and make these white marks disappear. As you can see, I have one there, there's one here, there's one here. There's loads of them in this part of my table. So let's get to it. Okay, this is the spot that we're going to work on here, and you just take your towel, you put it over there, and you take your iron and you move it in circular motions over that spot. Make sure you're always moving so your towel doesn't stick. Just move it. Let's check it. Ooh, it's lightening up. That's what we like to see. So it's just drying out that area and bringing back the color of the varnish or sealant or stain, whatever's on there. Ooh, look at that, it's almost gone up there. We're always moving it. Keep it in one spot and your towel will adhere to the top coat of the stain or whatever's on your table, and then it will leave little fabric indents, and that's a different fix altogether. Ooh, look at that, it's almost all gone. Looking much better. I want to keep checking it because I don't want to overdo the area. It's looking good. Cool. Okay, and just repeat over and over again. Oh yeah, getting so close. Look, this part's pretty much all gone. Got a little bit there and some down there. Oh man, it's looking so good. Look at that. Man, that's, you can still barely see that. You can see a little bit of the ring. Oh, there it is, that's gone. I can't even see that spot anymore. And then get a little ring here and down here. So we're gonna work on this area. Oh man, look at that. And there it is, it's completely gone, woohoo! So that method of using the iron and the kitchen towel works great. You just gotta make sure you don't hold your iron in one place so that the fabric fuses to the paint or stain or varnish or whatever's on here. I don't even know if varnish is the right word, but yeah, so make sure you're always moving, but it looks great. All done. There it is. I still have that spot. That's hard because it's already on the crease, so this is a little bit higher than this. And my rag did end up sticking to the table a couple times, but once that happened, I just took a washcloth and I wiped it like that just to wipe all the fibers away and to soften out the varnish a little bit with it too. So that's it. Taking that seam stain out with my rag and my iron. Thanks for watching this video about using an iron and a kitchen towel to get the steam marks out of wood tables. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I would love a like down below and give me a subscribe also, so that way we can see you next time. Thanks, bye.